Vigamox Drops is a type of antibiotic used specifically for treating eye infections. It is used to kill bacteria that cause infections in the eyes. This medication is generally used 3 times a day, with about 4 to 6 hours between each dose. It is important to follow the instructions given by your doctor for the correct dosage and timing. The best time to take Vigamox Drops is usually in the morning, afternoon, and at night. When using Vigamox Drops, make sure to follow your doctor's instructions and use it in the affected eyes 3 times a day. Before applying the drops, remember to wash your hands and avoid letting the dropper tip touch any surfaces to prevent contamination. It's important not to wear contact lenses while using this medication. If you do wear contacts, be sure to sterilize them according to the manufacturer's directions and consult your doctor before using them again. To apply the drops, tilt your head back, look upward, and pull down the lower eyelid to create a small pouch. Place the dropper directly over the eye and put in the prescribed number of drops. Then, look downward, gently close your eye for 1 to 2 minutes, and apply gentle pressure to the corner of the eye near the nose to prevent the medication from draining away. Try not to blink or rub your eye, and do not rinse the dropper. If you use other types of eye drops, wait at least 5 minutes before applying Vigamox Drops. It's important to use this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. Even if your symptoms improve, continue using the drops for the full time prescribed to prevent a return of the infection. If your condition does not improve within 7 days, be sure to consult your doctor. Some possible side effects of using Vigamox Drops may include blurred vision, watery eyes, eye pain, dryness, redness, or itchiness. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe that the benefits to you outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, using this medication for prolonged or repeated periods may lead to a new fungal eye infection, so it's important to use it only for the prescribed duration. If you notice new or worsening symptoms, contact your doctor. Serious side effects such as swelling of the eye or a rare allergic reaction may occur. If you experience any serious side effects, seek medical attention immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Before using Vigamox Drops, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you are allergic to it, quinolone antibiotics, or any other allergies. Also, make sure to inform them about your medical history. After applying this medication, your vision may become temporarily blurred or unstable. Avoid driving, using machinery, or doing activities that require clear vision until it's safe to do so. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed. It's best to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also unclear if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using Vigamox Drops, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could impact how Vigamox Drops work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Vigamox Drops. If Vigamox Drops are ingested, it can be harmful. In case of an overdose with serious symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. U.S. residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. It is crucial to keep this medication out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. Always follow the advice of a healthcare professional regarding the proper use of Vigamox Drops. This medication is prescribed specifically for your current condition. Do not use it later for another infection unless your doctor instructs you to do so. Also, do not share this medication with others. If you forget to use a dose of Vigamox Drops, you can use it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, it's better to skip the missed dose and use the next one at your regular time. It's important not to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When using Vigamox drops, it's important to store them in the refrigerator or at room temperature, but do not freeze them. If the solution changes color, turns cloudy, or contains particles, it should be discarded. Keep all medications away from children and pets. It's important not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. If you have any questions about how to dispose of Vigamox drops, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.